I will teach how to find and download horror mod packs for Minecraft quickly and easily. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support me. The best way I've found to download horror mod packs for Minecraft is by using an application called CurseForge. It's a platform where you can connect your Minecraft installation and access a huge variety of mods and mod packs. With just a single install button, you can easily download and manage everything. To download CurseForge, simply search for CurseForge on Google and usually click the first result. Once you enter the official website, click on Get CurseForge app and then select Download Standalone, follow the installation steps, and after that, open the CurseForge application on your computer. When CurseForge opens, you'll need to connect Minecraft to the app. Normally, CurseForge will simply ask you to link your Microsoft account, and after connecting, Minecraft should automatically appear on the left sidebar. If it doesn't appear, you can manually add it by clicking the plus icon. After Minecraft is connected successfully, click on the Minecraft icon inside CurseForge. To find horror mod packs, click on Browse. Then go to the category filters and select the horror category. This will display all available horror mod packs inside CurseForge. You can also sort the results by popularity, downloads, or relevance to find the best mod packs more easily. Once you find a mod pack you like, click on it and press install. After the installation starts, go back to the My Mod Pack section and you'll see the mod pack downloading to your computer. When the download is finished, simply click play and Minecraft will automatically launch with the mod pack installed. If you don't want to use CurseForge to install and launch mod packs, you can also download mods manually and place them into your Minecraft mods folder. I still use the CurseForge website for this method. On the website, click Browse, then Minecraft, and after that, select Browse All, search for the mod you want, click on it, and open the file section. There you'll find all available versions of the mod, and you can download the one you need for manual installation. Personally, I prefer using the CurseForge app because it makes everything much easier to manage and lets you clearly see all the mods and mod packs you have installed. It's also a trusted and widely used platform within the Minecraft community. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tutorials and guides.